In today's video, a man who hates selling trousers and jeans has bought 15 pairs of branded jeans from Boom Wholesale. Hey folks, welcome to the video. For those of you new here, my name's Andrew. I'm very soon, in fact by the time this video comes out, I might actually be a full-time reseller on eBay, Vinted, Depop and Amazon. Or potentially I'm still a part-time reseller for the few days after this video comes out. But anyway, long-time viewers of the channel know that I've been buying a lot of stuff from Boom Wholesale because I genuinely think they are the best wholesale supplier in the UK right now. And so I've actually bought 15 pairs of branded jeans from them because jeans have been selling well for me of late. Trousers have been selling well as well, mostly because some of the stuff I've been getting from Boom has included those. So I thought, why not actually give the specific jeans grade A bundle that they do a try and see what we get. I think the cost of goods works out as like £8 something per jean when you work it all out as well. So we need to make preferably 3 times that in listing value on each pair, or have a couple that get a higher price. So box is already open because I fell on it. First pair here appears to, oh, Carhartt. Well, we've already exceeded the £25 on that because we have got some Carhartt. I would say they're more trousers than jeans, but we've got some Carhartt double knee carpenters. I think they're double knee anyway. I'm not a huge expert on Carhartt, but we've got some Carhartts. They're definitely going to be worth more than 24 quid. So that is a very pleasing start. I'm not actually sure we can do better than Carhartt, but maybe we can. Some Levi's. What are these? No model number on him. So yeah, pair of black Levi's. Condition, grade A, fantastic. Levi's though, not doing so great at the minute. So you might be looking 15 to 20 quid on those. Was the time. Levi's used to go for a lot more, but they've sort of fallen down in value a bit. Another pair of Levi's. These look vintage. So I am just going to check. See if I can find a tag, see what they are. These are a 726. Made in Belgium. So these are a vintage pair of Levi's. Probably gonna have to try and date those as well because age is important. But yeah, they don't, as far as I know, make Levi's in Belgium anymore because it's too expensive for them to do that. So they should have better value than the previous pair. And again, yeah, you know, maybe 25 to 30 quid on those. But another pair of Carhartts, 40 by 30, fantastic. Not carpenters as such, unfortunately, but again, they will still do well. So far we've had 3 good pairs, 1 meh pair. Another pair of Levi's. We're really not going for, these are 725 high raise boot cuts. Man, when I buy Levi's, those have the number on the back, but anyway, I think these are probably ladies, just from looking at the sort of the style of it. So yeah, 27 waist, so it's fine for ladies, isn't it? So yeah, cool. Again, still probably 15 to 20 quid on those. I think they'll sell well on Vinted though, so I might double my money up on Vinted. Diesel. Good brand of jeans. These are Wakeys. I think I had some Wakeys in a Boom box before and they sold for like 25 to 30 quid. These are good waist. These are 36 leg 30. So yeah, I'll make a decent return on those. They all have been nicely folded as well, so I could actually just list those straight away, which is fantastic because That means I can actually list them tonight. A pair of 501s, waist 30, leg 32, bit of a different colour. I actually have a pair in this colour, believe it or not, of 501s. I got in Sports Direct many years ago, and for some reason they had a load of 501s in. So does anyone remember when Tesco's were selling 501s for a while? They were importing them from Jersey or somewhere, and they were dirt cheap. I was always wearing those then. I don't know what I'm looking for because I already know that these are 501. Oh yeah, I was looking to see if I could see where they were made, but somebody looks to have cut the tag out, which is oh no, there it is. Made in France. So again, a vintage pair of 501s. Do a little bit more research on those, but yeah, so European made, so that should push the value slightly because A, they're vintage, B, the quality is perceived to be slightly better as a result. Probably not true vintage, probably like 90s Y2K. Ralph Lauren, pair of Ralph Lauren jeans, look like ladies jeans. Ralph Lauren Sport, 27 waist. Again, brilliant condition. It's got to be at least 20 quid in those. I'm alright with this so far. I think this is not bad. Pair of 505s this time, waist 38, leg 34. Shame they're not a 36 waist because they could have ended up on loan to me for a short period of time so I could test out the stock before I sell it to the buyers, of course. And it looks like they have come from the modern pair. So made in Mexico, yeah. So just a modern pair. So I don't know what 505s are going for, but the larger waist will certainly help to the value. So it'll give at least 15-20 quid in that. A pair of Dickies. They are just standard Dickies jeans. Yeah, again, cracking condition. Although with Dickies and Carhartt, of course, it's okay for them not to be in cracking condition because they've got a bit of patina on. If it's the bright patina, that can actually add value. People like it. It's got the carpenter hook there by the looks of it. For you to put your hammer in. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look to see there's a model number on those. I'm not a great expert in Dickies. Like I got some brand new tags, 874s, I think it is, for Dickies, and like I paid like 7 or 8 quid for them, and they're worth about 15 quid or something ridiculous. And I thought they'd be like 30 or 40 quid, but there you go. We are learning constantly on this journey. Armani jeans, they're going to be at least 25-30 quid. Yeah, nice pair of Armani jeans. Nice and legit. 30 waist, so a bit of a smaller waist, but yeah, they'll do all right. Tommy jeans. Now, I thought Tommy jeans were terrible, but actually Tommy jeans are going for around 25 quid and selling very regularly on eBay. So these are 34, 32. They actually smell like they've been freshly laundered. I wonder if Boom actually launders their stock before sending it out, because that smells of washing powder. So yeah, that good pair of jeans. I hate Tommy normally, but on the jeans they do well. Another pair of Levi's, 512, waist 28, leg 32. Levi's premiums, are they? Oh, they got the waterless tag on, so they're going to be, yeah, made in Pakistan. So these would just be modern ones. So they won't have as much value as they used to have, because Levi's used to be a surefire buy, of course, but life has changed. Pair of Dickies, Now I've sold similar to these Dickies for 15 quid on Depop. So I know that, and they sold really quickly, so I know that these ones will do well, and Depop is fee free, so well, I won't quite double up the money on it. I won't be far off. And I think we're at the final pair, which is a pair of Levi's 510s. Yeah, modern pair. We've gone for Pakistan this time. We're made in Pakistan. I think it's in Pakistan anyway. Yeah, pair of 510s, again, good condition. These are all, like, I don't even need to steam them. They're all listable from the box. And ooh, we've lost the box there. But that really matters to me. And that's another advantage of why I use Boom. Because the stuff comes out and you can almost list it straight away. A couple of items need an iron, usually the shirts. You might find a couple of items that need washing. They all look in perfect condition. Like I said, they look like they've actually been washed before. If this has inspired you to buy something from Boom, I do have a discount code, which is in the description and will be on screen, which is code MONEYMENTAL. And that gets you 10% off. So I actually got, you know, discount on these jeans as a result of having discount code. So worth giving it a try. I'm happy with that. Like I say, there will be money on that. Vinted is doing really good for selling jeans, but they banned me from listing currently, so hopefully that will get sorted out soon. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.